Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful garden decor ideas. So viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today videos friends. A garden is more than just plants and flowers. It is a place where we relax, enjoy nature and create beautiful memories with the family. With a few simple decorations, even a small garden can become a magical and cozy space. Let's begin with some lovely ideas. One of the ideas way to decorate a garden is by adding beautiful flower pot. Colorful pots placed around the garden can instantly brighten the area. You can use clay pot, wooden planter, hanging basket or handmade poster. Mixing different size and shape to create a more interesting look. Hanging plants and another wonderful idea. They save space and add beauty from above. And friends, viewers and viewers, friends, they save space and add beauty from above. Hanging basket filled with flowers or green plants can make a garden feel fresh and elegant. You can place them doors, balconies or garden corners. A small garden pathway can also change the entry look for your outdoor area. Use stones, pebble or wooden piece to create a simple walking path. Adding garden lighting is another beautiful decoration idea. Small lighting lights around plant, tree or pathway create a warm atmosphere in the evening. And friends, solar lights are also a great choice because they are easy to use and save energy. A comfortable sitting area can turn your garden into a relaxing space. Add a small bench, wooden chair or a cozy outdoor sofa. And friends, a cozy corner with a small tables and chair is a perfect for framing together. Decorated with flower, candle and handmade pieces. So friends, thank you for watching. If you enjoy this garden decor ideas, don't forget to like, share and follow for more home decoration, decors and creative inspiration. See you in the next